Am I live? Am I live? Can you all hear me? Let me know. क्या शुरू हो गया है? Can you all see me? Am I live? I think I am live. Correct? Can you all see me? Let me know. Am I audible? Am I audible to all of you? Yes, yes, yes. Can we start? Are we ready to go? Okay. Am I audible? Can you all hear me? So everything fine, right? Okay, so here we go. Please make sure that you all watch the part 1 of this video. What are we going to do today? Today we are going to learn GST. In my last live class, I have taken GST part 1. And in part 1, I have concentrated mostly on MCQs. Okay, only on MCQs. Please watch that video also. Maybe once I end this live stream, you can go back and watch that. But as of now, what we are going to do is part 2. And in part 2, I am going to take word problems. And mostly we are going to take board questions. Right? Now, most of the students are confused with this topic. They are always confused कि भाई इसको solve कैसे करें, कि कौन सा rule कब apply करें and all those things. So at the end, I have question number 6. And in that question number 6, or I can say that that particular question, question number 6, will cover the entire of this chapter. Okay? तो सबसे पहले हम लोग easy और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड धीरे धीरे हम लोग जो है वो डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन के तरफ बढ़ेंगे. ओके, आई थिंक यू ऑल आर रेडी, ऑल सेट टू गो. So let us start now. Let us start with sum number 1. Now this question, sum number 1, is very important and I feel that ये और या इसके जैसा क्वेश्चन इस साल बोर्ड एग्जाम में आ सकता है. Okay, and when I'm explaining, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I have a comment box right in front of me. Okay. Okay, I see students are coming. Okay, they are writing their doubts. Okay, so here we go. Renuka went to a shop to buy a washing machine worth rupees 10,620. The rate of GST is 18%. She asks a shopkeeper to reduce the price of a washing machine to an extent that she has to pay 10,620. See this number and this number, both are one and the same. Inclusive of GST, find the reduced price, right? Okay, let us try to understand this question, what this question is all about. So a story is something like this, okay? कि a girl or a lady whose name is Renuka, she went to a particular shop to buy a washing machine. And the cost of the washing machine, या उस machine का price जो है, that is 10,620. Yes, 10,620. So what shopkeeper is saying कि ये जो है ये मेरा mark price है, this is my mark price and you have to pay a GST 18%. Okay, generally when you solve the numericals, in most of the numerical you will see that GST is 18%. But exam में ऐसा होता है कि your teacher will trick you by giving some other percentage like maybe 12% or any other percentage. Okay, so I have seen that student by default they take 18% GST. Yes, in most of the question GST is 18%, but that is not the case always, right? So please make sure that you read your question carefully and take the data. Okay, coming back to this story, तो यहाँ पर जो है printed price, the sticker on the washing machine is of rupees 10,620. आ रही है बात समझ में आपको? एंड शॉपकीपर इज सेइंग दैट दिस इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ द मशीन और आपको जीएसटी अलग से पे करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज 18%. But what Renuka, okay, every customer has a right to bargain and reduce the price. So what Renuka is saying कि भाई मुझे पता नहीं है आपका मशीन का कॉस्ट क्या और जीएसटी हाउ मच आई हैव टू पे, आई एम गोइंग टू पे ओनली 10,620 rupees. Yes, 10,620 एंड जीएसटी आई विल नॉट पे. ओके, इतना रुपीस ले लो मुझे और मुझे मशीन दे दो. देन शॉपकीपर एग्रीज कि चलो ठीक है इतने में ले लो. बट शॉपकीपर कैन नॉट इवेट टैक्स, उसको तो टैक्स पे करना पड़ेगा. सो अब शॉपकीपर क्या करेगा, इस 10,200 में ही विल शो द reduced price, he will show the reduced price and he will show GST separately and GST separately, right? Up, according to this transaction, reduced price plus GST has become how much? Rupees 10,620. Okay. Originally, 10,620 was the price of the machine and GST was required to be paid separately. But Renuka as a customer uses her bargaining power and she asks a machine for 10,620 including the GST. तो हमको find out करना है what is the reduced price. Okay, what is the reduced price, ये find out करना है. Remember that in GST you have lot of formulae like selling price, cost price, profit, loss, profit percent, okay, input tax, output tax. But what I suggest you all is solve this question by the concept of percentage. That will be the easiest method to solve. Okay, yes. Yes, Ipsita Goyal. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so you are here. What is your paper tomorrow? Okay, so we have to find out reduce price. I'll show you two methods to solve this question. Okay, I'll show you two methods to solve this question. So method number one, which color should I use? Okay, let me use this color. I'll take a method one, and in method one I'll use a unitary method. अगर आप लोग मुझसे मैथ्स पढ़ रहे हो तो यू विल हैव अ ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट ओवरलुक ऑफ द सम. ओके, ये मैं अपने तरीके से अलग तरीके से इजी करके आपको पढ़ाऊंगा. ओके, सो लिसन केयरफुली. मेथड वन इज द यूनिटरी मेथड और फिर और एक मेथड बताऊंगा. ओके, व्हाट एवर यू फील इज इजी यू कैन गो विद दैट मेथड. ओके, सो हियर आई गो. अब व्हाट इज यूनिटरी मेथड कि इसमें इस यूनिटरी मेथड में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इन दिस यूनिटरी मेथड वी विल से लेट कॉस्ट प्राइस या रेड्यूस प्राइस, लेट, okay, I have to find out reduce price, so I am saying let reduce price of machine be rupees 100. In case of percentage, okay, don't assume x, assume 100, be rupees 100. Okay, so I'll draw a table for this method. Okay, unitary method, and we can solve later on. I may take a class for mole concept also. Most of the students find this chapter difficult. Okay, this chapter difficult, but I'll tell you कि इससे आप लोग मोल कॉन्सेप्ट के भी most of the problem you can solve it easily, right? So here comes reduce price, and unit for price is rupees, and here your amount including GST. Okay, amount including GST, unit for this will also be rupees. So if reduce price, okay, suppose if shopkeeper is selling a washing machine for rupees 100, so how much should be paid by a customer? Customer will pay 100 rupees, which is the price of the machine, plus 18% GST. If you go through your question carefully, 18% is the GST. So customer will pay 118 rupees, right? Okay, but actually customer has paid 10,600 and what? 10,620. 10,620. So what is the reduced price? Okay, what is the reduced price? So I use this unitary method very frequently. So my student, they know this reduced price. Okay, this is what I have to find. Now comes the rule of three. What is rule of three? Think about cross multiplication. Don't put a cross over here. Only think about the cross multiplication. Value against the question mark will go in the denominator. So 118 is in the denominator. Okay, 118 is in the denominator, and this two values 100 into 10,620 will go in the numerator. Okay, this is 8 and this is 2. 8 into 9 is 72. So I think this can be divided by 9. 9 into 8 is 72. 7 carry 9 and 7 16. 9. Yes, it is 9. So reduced price is how much? So reduced price is 9 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2 and 3 zeros, right? 3 zeros. So reduced price of machine is 9,000 rupees. I hope you are getting it. Okay, you can have a look at the question as well as the answer. Okay, as I told you, this is just one method. I'll try to solve this by another method also. The method which I have used here is called the unitary method. I hope you are understanding it. Okay, let me know in the chat box. Okay, I can see answers are already coming. Okay, so method one. Okay, I have to find out what? I have to find out reduced price. So whatever I have to find out, since I'm going to solve this with the concept of percentage. Okay, so there, how do I start? Whatever I have to find out, I'll assume that value to be 100, right? Okay, so let the reduced price of a machine is 100. Now what is given to us? We are given that she is paying 10,620 as a amount, which is the price of the machine plus GST. Okay, so if 100 is the reduced price, how much will be paid? Okay, so 100 rupees for machine plus 18 rupees. 18% is GST plus 18 rupees as GST, so 118. But in reality, 10,620 is the amount paid including GST. So what is the reduced price? Okay, so once you complete this table, you can do use a method of rule of three, and you can find your answer. I hope you have understood this. Let me know. Have you understood this? Let me know. And do you want another method or what? Okay. So if you want method 2, see, this is method number 2. Okay. Method 2. Okay. This is a regular method. Here what I'll do is I'll say let the reduced price be rupees X. Okay, let the reduced price be rupees X. Now what has happened? Ki we have paid rupees how much? 10,000, or Renuka has paid rupees how much? 10,620, which is 100%. Okay, which is 100%. Okay, 100% of the value of the machine plus 18% as GST. Okay, on what rupees? On is it X? Yes, on X. So what is this? 118%. Percent means upon 100 into X is equal to what? 10,620. So what is value of X? 10,620 multiplied by 100 into 118. Again same calculation into 9. So answer is rupees 9,000. Okay, this is the beauty of maths. Use any method, but your answer will be same, which is 9,000 by both the methods. Now this question is very important. Same question or maybe this kind of question can be asked in your examination, and it may be asked. I have seen in most of the schools prelim paper, okay, this was asked in a MCQ form. So please make sure that you know this sum properly. Okay, let's not waste the time. We will go on to question number 2. Okay, if you have any doubt or anything, you can ask me, or otherwise. Okay, method 1 is easy. Fine. Okay, method 1 is easier. Okay, Shlok. Oh, by some other name. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now look here. As we move from question number 1 to question number 2, we will keep on increasing the difficulty level of the question, right? A shopkeeper brought an article for market price rupees 1200 from a wholesaler at a discount of 10%. Shopkeeper sell this article to customer to a market mar- on the market price printed on it. If rate of GST is 6%. Okay, then fine. GST paid by wholesaler, net tax paid by a shopkeeper, amount paid by a customer to this item. Okay. Now see, always watch out for this word, which is net tax. This word net tax is going to play a very important role when you solve this question. Okay, jara dhyan dena sab log. Okay, this question was asked in 2019. Very important question. Okay, GST paid by a wholesaler. If you want to avoid a confusion, what I will suggest is, just a second. What I will suggest is draw a flow chart. Okay, a shopkeeper brought an article from the wholesaler. Okay, so who's there? A wholesaler. Whole. What is the spelling used? Seller. Sailor. Wholesaler. Okay. Is selling this article to a shopkeeper. You should be very clear in your mind ki what kind of transaction has taken place. And shopkeeper is selling to whom? Customer. Right? Okay. Wholesaler is selling to shopkeeper and shopkeeper is selling to customer. Okay, so wholesaler is selling. So what is the selling price of a wholesaler? So wholesale shopkeeper brought an article with a marked price 1200 from a wholesaler at a discount of 10%. As I told you, we are going to use a concept of percentage. Okay, we will not solve this question on the formula basis. Means it will not be a formula intensive question. We will be using what? Concept of percentage. Okay, so 100% is the value of what? Of an article, and discount is what? 10%. So 100 minus 10%. Okay, on what rupees? On marked price, which is 1200. Okay, so this is what? 100 minus 10 is 90%. Since wholesaler has given a discount of 10% to shopkeeper, so shopkeeper is not paying the 100% of the value. Instead, shopkeeper is paying only what? 90% of 1200 rupees, which is the marked price or a printed price. So double zero cancelled. 12 into 9 is 108, isn't it? So 108 followed by this 0 is the selling price of the wholesaler. If wholesaler is selling for rupees 1080, so cost price, okay, cost price of shopkeeper will be rupees 1080. Now shopkeeper is not going to use this article for himself. Instead शॉपकीपर क्या करने वाला है? उसको आगे बेचेगा. किसको बेचेगा? कस्टमर को. So what is the selling price? What is the selling price? From the wholesaler at a shopkeeper sell this article to customer to a market price printed on it. So market price printed on it is what? 1200. So selling price of a shopkeeper is 1200, and cost price of a customer, selling price of a shopkeeper will be cost price of a customer. Q. क्योंकि शॉपकीपर ने क्या किया, कस्टमर को बेचा। तो सेलिंग प्राइस, ओके, शॉपकीपर ने बेचा 1200 में, कस्टमर ने खरीदा 1200 में, ओके। तो ये दो वैल्यू क्या होंगे, सेम होंगे। आर यू गेटिंग इट? ओके, सो वी ऑल नो द डेटा, ओके। हमेशा आपको क्या करना है, व्हाट यू मस्ट नो इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस एट ईच ट्रांजेक्शन। याद रखो, जो सबसे पहला वाला होता है, ओके, जो जो सबसे पहला वाला ट्रांजेक्शन होता है उसमें कॉस्ट प्राइस नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ही इज अ फर्स्ट सेलर, ओके। तो हमारे सम में दिस इज सेलिंग प्राइस, ओके। जो बीच वाला होगा उसके उसके लिए दोनों होगा, दैट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस एज वेल एज सेलिंग प्राइस। जैसे फर्स्ट वाले को उसके पास ओनली सेलिंग प्राइस होता है, क्योंकि फर्स्ट वाला स्टोरी स्टार्ट यहाँ से हुआ, व्हेन ही इज सेलिंग द आर्टिकल, और कस्टमर ने क्या किया, इस उसने बाय किया, सो ही इज पेइंग अ कॉस्ट प्राइस। वो आगे सेल नहीं कर रहा है, वो ये आर्टिकल खुद के लिए यूज कर रहा है, ओके। सो इसका क्या होगा, कॉस्ट प्राइस, राइट, ओके। अच्छा, यू वांट मैथ स्पेसिमेन पेपर, ओके, आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व दैट आल्सो, राइट, ओके, फाइन। तो ये है ट्रांजैक्शन। अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन देखेंगे क्या पूछ रहे हैं। नाउ हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज व्हाट, जीएसटी पेड बाय द होलसेलर, ओके। जरा ध्यान दो, जीएसटी पेड बाय द होलसेलर, okay. I'm not writing this part, I'm just writing a question number, but in the examination try and write this, GST paid by wholesaler is equal to, okay, GST paid by wholesaler, please write this, is equal to what। अच्छा, हमेशा याद रखना है आप लोगों को, जीएसटी इज ऑलवेज पेड ऑन अ कॉस्ट प्राइस, ऑन अ कॉस्ट प्राइस। सो जीएसटी पेड बाय अ होलसेलर इज, what was the percentage of GST? GST was 6%, okay, 6% बाय होलसेलर, ओके। होलसेलर किस पर पे करेगा, ये रुपीस पर, ओके। सो जीएसटी पेड बाय होलसेलर इज व्हाट, 6% ऑन rupees 1080, right? So 6 upon 100 multiply by 1080, 20 cancel and decimal point after 2 digits, okay. So what do I get my first answer as? My first answer is 6 into 8 is, chalo, I'll put a 0 here, 6 into 8 is 48, 4 carry 4, 6 into 1 is 6. So 64 rupees and 80 paise is the GST paid by wholesaler, okay. Now what, net tax, okay, this part is important, जरा ध्यान से सुनना। सर कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के फॉर्मूले में कंफ्यूजन होता है, ओके। लेट मी फिनिश दिस, आई विल ट्राई टू टेक कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री आल्सो इन माय नेक्स्ट क्लास, ओके। जस्ट पे अटेंशन हियर, नेट टैक्स। See, there is a concept of net tax which you have to understand. Okay, I'll reduce this so that the entire question is visible. Should I increase the size or it is clearly visible to you all? Because I want question as well as answer. Right? Okay. Chalo, increase karu. Okay. Now see, please try to understand this. When A sells the article, is this color clearly visible? When A sells the article to B and B sells the article to C, तो नेट टैक्स जो है वो बी पे करता है। एंड व्हाट इज फॉर्मूला फॉर नेट टैक्स, कोई बताएगा मुझे? कैन यू टाइप दैट इन अ चैट बॉक्स? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर नेट टैक्स? नेट टैक्स इज आउटपुट टैक्स minus input tax. Try to understand this. Actually I have covered this part in my part 1 also, okay, but फिर भी ये part 2 में हम लोग repeat करेंगे, okay. Output tax minus input tax. Now output tax will be what, GST percent on output means selling, when, okay, जब चीज बाहर जाती है, सेल करती है, okay, it goes out, so GST percent on selling price minus GST whatever percent is given, okay, ऑन इनपुट टैक्स, ओके। तो ये बी क्या करता है, बी खरीदता है, ओके, ही बाइज एंड देन सेल्स आउट। जब वो खरीदता है तो टैक्स पे करता है खरीदने के लिए, उसके शॉप में जब आर्टिकल आता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द इनपुट टैक्स, और जब वो बेचता है ओके जो बेचता है दैट इज कॉल्ड द आउटपुट टैक्स। एंड ऑलवेज टू अर्न द प्रॉफिट ओके, खरीदता जब है वो तो कम प्राइस में खरीदता है और बेचता है तो ज्यादा प्राइस में बेचता है ओके। इसलिए आउटपुट टैक्स पहले आएगा और इनपुट टैक्स बाद में आएगा, बिकॉज सेलिंग प्राइस इज मोर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस ओके। सो ये जरा आपको याद रखना है टू फॉर नेट टैक्स। सो प्लीज वॉच आउट फॉर दिस वर्ड कॉल्ड नेट टैक्स ओके। what if there are four people okay, तो मैं अगला क्वेश्चन as I told you as we go from one question to another question हम लोग इसका डिफिकल्टी लेवल बढ़ाते जाएंगे। I'll take next question where there will be four okay। आपके सिलेबस में तो तीन ही है okay, you don't have fourth one, बट फिर भी मैंने एक क्वेश्चन लिया है जिसमें फोर्थ पर्सन ओके कस्टमर इज दी fourth person involved okay, so don't worry, I'll take that question as well okay। So coming back here what I have to find out, so I have to find out net tax paid by shopkeeper okay। So my solution will go something like this, second one okay, net tax by a shopkeeper is equal to output tax minus input tax, correct okay। So output tax is what was the GST percentage? 6% okay, 6% on selling price minus 6% on cost price। 6% means 6 upon 100 and selling price was how much? 1200, एक बार चेक भी कर लेंगे, अपॉन कॉस्ट प्राइस इज हाउ मच ओके 1080। इज इट फाइन? चेक कर लेते हैं okay, cost price is 1080 and selling price is 1200 okay। So this one, so what we can do is 6 upon 100 can be taken out common, ये individual value करना है तो भी कर सकते हैं, but to reduce the effort I am taking 6 by 100 as common, 1200 minus 1080 राइट। सो 6 अपॉन 100, इसको इसके लिए भी एक शॉर्टकट है जिससे आप डायरेक्टली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं हाउ मच ही हैज अर्न। इज इट 120 रुपीज? 120 से 20 से हो जाएगा 11, यस 120, एम आई राइट? इज इट 120? yes okay। so 20 cut and decimal point after 0 minus 0, 10 minus 8 is 2, 11, yes here 12 into 6 is what? 72 okay, 72, this 0 carry forward, decimal point is 7.2 okay। तो net tax paid by shopkeeper, watch out for this word which is net tax okay by shopkeeper is 7 rupees and 20 paise, right? Any doubt let me know okay। See this 6464 rupees and 80 paise was first answer, 7.20 is the second answer okay। Net amount paid by the customer ओके, कस्टमर इज अ पुअर चैप, सारा बर्डन जो है टैक्स का कस्टमर पर ही आता है। सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट दैट what was that net tax paid by customer, right? Amount paid by customer, it is not tax, it is amount paid by customer, amount paid by customer okay। So customer will pay what? 100% of the value of the article plus 6% of GST, 100 plus 6% on his cost price okay, which is 1200। so 106% into cost price is 1200 okay, double zero cut। so what is my answer? 12 into 6 is 72 and 12 into 1 is 12, so this is the answer okay। I'll try to keep everything on a single screen so that you can have a look on question as well as answer. If you have any doubt you can let me know, if you have any doubt, see this chapter is very easy, please don't leave this chapter as an option ऑप्शन में बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ना इस चैप्टर को. 1272 is the third answer, right? Can I move on to next question? Can I move on to next question? Okay, fine. Okay, as I told you कि जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, डिफिकल्टी लेवल इंक्रीज होगा. एंड दिस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड in year 2020. Okay, this question was asked in year 2020, right? Okay, board question. Mr. Bedi visit a market and buy the following thing. क्या क्या buy किया उसने? Medicines, pair of shoes and laptop bag. Okay, costing rupees 950 at 5% tax, 3000 rupees and GST is 18%. 1,000 rupees discount. Okay, discount of 30% means he don't pay the entire price. Okay, ये reduced price pay करेगा. 30% is discount means he will pay only 70%. Okay, and 18% is GST. Okay, एक एक करके करते हैं. Okay, let us talk about this transaction which is related to medicines. For medicines, okay, cost is how much? 950. Cost price is rupees 950. I am writing a data, right? And GST is 5%. So GST paid is how much? What we have to find? Calculate the total amount of GST paid and the total bill amount. Okay. तो पहले first वाला find out करते हैं GST. Okay. तो individually GST paid on medicine is what? 5%. 5% on rupees 950. So 5 upon 100 into 950, right? So those zero cancel, decimal point after two zeros. So this is how much? Rupees. This is rupees 5 into 0 is 5, 5 into 5 is 25, 2 carry 9 into 5 is 45 and 2 is 47, decimal point after 2 digit. Okay, so this much amount is paid for what? For medicines. This much GST is paid for medicine, right? Now next item is what? Pair of shoes. So I write here shoes. Cost price is how much? For shoes, cost price is 3000 rupees. Expensive shoes. 3000 rupees. And GST is what? 18%. Luxury item, so more percentage of GST. Okay, for medicine, GST is just 5%. Right? So GST paid is how much? 18% on rupees 3000. 2020 cancel. 18 into 3 is 54. And 0 carry forward. So this is the GST paid on what? On shoes. Now third transaction is little bit complicated. Please pay attention. Laptop bag. Okay, I hope you see this color. Laptop bag. Right? Okay. So cost price is 1,000 rupees and discount is 30%. Okay, that means cost price will be how much? 30% is discount, so 100 minus 30% on rupees 1,000. Why we are subtracting 30 here and not here? क्योंकि मेडिसिन पर कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं मिला, शूज पर भी डिस्काउंट नहीं मिला, बट लैपटॉप बैग पर डिस्काउंट मिला. वी आर पेइंग ओनली 70% on 1,000 rupees, right? So 2020 cancel, and how much we are getting? 700 rupees. This is just a cost price and not GST. We have to find out GST. Now how much is the GST? GST is what? 18%, right? Nah? Let us confirm. Yes, GST is 18%. Okay. GST is 18% on 700 rupees. So 20 and 20 cancelled. How much is the GST now? 70 and 54. 124, is it? 124. Okay. So this GST, okay, this is a GST. Here I have point and 2 digits. So what I'll do for this GST also, I'll take a point and 2 zeros after that, point and 2 zeros after that, so that I don't go wrong with my calculations, right? Now total GST paid. Okay, total GST. Where should I write that? Total GST is what? For for what was that? What medicine? Okay, medicine it is 47.50 plus for shoes it is 540 rupees, and for laptop bag it is 124 rupees. Okay, so you have to add all three values, which becomes 7 and 4 is 11, 8, 9, 10, again 11, 6. So this is the third answer, 711.50. Okay, 711.50. Is everything going right? Is everything going right? Any mistake or anything? I think it is 7. I have solved this question. It is 713. 7 into 8 is 56. Here we made a mistake. Here it is 126. 126.00. So here it will be 6. 713. Okay, so this is my first answer. 713 rupees. 713 rupees and 50 paise, right? Now total amount paid is what we have to find next. Okay, so total amount paid is equal to what? For medicine, how much is paid? How much amount is paid? 950 rupees, correct na? And then for shoes, how much is paid? 3000 rupees. We'll check the values. And for laptop bag, okay, after discount amount paid is 700, plus we have paid a GST of 713. Okay, amount including GST, which is 713 rupees and 50 paise. So we have decimal point and 2 digit after that, so I'll take a point so as to avoid the confusion. So what is the value now? So 0.50, this is 3, this is 6, 7, 7, 14, 14 and 9 is 26. 5, 6, is it correct? 5, 6, 6, no. 14, 14 and 9 is 53, not 56. 5, 3, 6, 3. Okay, this is second answer, right? So I'll keep this on the entire screen so that you can have a look at the question as well as the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now see, medicine. Medicine cost price is 950 and GST is 5%. Right? So we have to calculate GST. On calculation, we got 47.50, 47 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. So now one question is that when to take 18% and when to take 118%. Okay, very good question. 18% is this just GST. When you are calculating GST, okay, GST, okay, I am calculating only GST, so 18%, right? And when I am calculating amount, and this amount is what? It is cost price plus GST. Now what we do is we assume cost price to be 100%. 100% of anything is 1. 100% means out of 100. Pure value, it is 1. Okay, so 100% of 500 will be 500. Okay, 100% of 1000 will be 1000. 100% of 950 will be 950. Means 950 we are paying, which is the 100%, which is the 100%, say, cost of the medicine. Okay, 950 ka 100% will be 950. So we are paying that, plus we are paying 18% GST. Plus we are paying 18% GST. So 100 plus 18 become 118%. So when you are paying GST plus tax, okay, GST, okay, when you are paying GST, when you are calculating GST, take only 18% or whatever percent, 12%, 6%, or whatever percent is given, take that. But when you are finding out amount which is paid for that article including GST, so that will be cost price plus GST. Cost price will be always 100%. Plus GST is 18%. So that much. I think you have understood this. Okay. So always remember, what here we have done is we can use another method also, amount paid. We could have added first what? All the cost price. Okay, we can add all the cost price, then taking 118%. But I thought this addition will be easy as compared to finding out 118%. So there can be always an alternative method. ओके, यू कैन आस्क मी इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट. तो ये कुछ छोटे छोटे माइनर डिटेल्स है. इफ यू कीप दोज डिटेल्स इन माइंड, दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी इजी. ओके, एंड आई विल रिपीट माई सेल्फ वंस अगेन कि आई एम सॉल्विंग दिस बाय अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ परसेंटेज. ओके, आप लोग देखोगे कि कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस इज दिस प्रॉफिट, ये वो. आई एम नॉट सॉल्विंग दिस फॉर्मूला ओरिएंटेड. ओके, फॉर्मूला को बेस रखकर आई एम नॉट सॉल्विंग दिस. Instead what I am doing is I am solving this by what? Okay, ये percentage के concept से. Right? Can I move on to next question? Any doubt you can write in a chat box, otherwise I am moving on to next question. Okay, please keep on asking me doubts. Okay, now you can try with this along with me. This is 2022. Okay, but specimen question paper. SQP stands for specimen question paper. This is a question from your specimen question paper. Okay, right? Again given in a form of a table. Now see, if you first of all don't buy any book from the market saying that this is a specimen paper, because for ICSE board examination whatever questions are asked, they are never like the specimen paper which are available in the market. Now we are into what? Fourth sum, and we already have solved 3 sums. तो अगर आप लोग देखोगे स्पेसिमेन क्वेश्चन पेपर विच वाज रिलीज फॉर यू ऑल, ओके, फॉर द ईयर 2022, एंड द मिस्टर बेदी, इससे पहले वाला क्वेश्चन विच वाज आस्क्ड इन 2022, राइट. 2021 में तो एमसीक्यू, ये फर्स्ट सेम में था, एमसीक्यू टेस्ट था. ओके, सो ये फुल फ्लेज क्वेश्चन नहीं आया था, बट आई थिंक एमसीक्यू में भी मैंने देखा है. सो इसमें आने वाले क्वेश्चन, इवन इफ यू सॉल्व योर टेक्स्ट बुक आर एस अग्रवाल और फ्रैंक और फॉर दैट मैटर सेलिना, तो आपको बहुत वैरायटी ऑफ क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे विच आर इवन डिफिकल्ट. तो जिस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आईसीएसई अपने एग्जाम में पूछने वाले उससे बहुत डिफरेंट. So what I will suggest is I'll put a link of this question bank in the description box once my this live session is over. So you can download this if you want. I'll give you some specimen question also for your practice. You can go through that. Okay. अब देखना ये क्या है, following. Okay, the following bill shows GST rate. So articles are graphic card and laptop adapter. So cost is 15,500 for graphic card and rate is 18%. And laptop adapter cost is 1900 and rate is 28%. अगर आप देखोगे इसको तो ये मिस्टर बेदी के क्वेश्चन से मिलता जुलता. ओके, और सॉल्व करने का मेथड भी सेम है. सो यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन इन योर एग्जामिनेशन, राइट? ओके, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अमाउंट ऑफ बिल. तो कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? जीएसटी अलग अलग, सी लास्ट टाइम व्हाट हैज हैपेंड, जीएसटी अलग से पूछा था, अमाउंट अलग से पूछा था. ओके, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, जीएसटी अलग अलग ही करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज परसेंटेज अलग अलग है. ओके, सो हियर आई गो. सो जीएसटी I'll use different color. Okay, first we will start with what? Graphic card. Graphic card. And I will calculate GST for graphic card. Okay, थोड़ा data लिखूं पहले. Cost price is how much? Cost price is rupees 15,500, right? And GST is what? 18%. Okay, so GST in rupees will be what? Tell me क्या लिखूं? 18% लिखूं कि 118% लिखूं? Let me see whether you have understood or not. क्या लिखना है? Okay, cost price is 15,500 and rate of GST is 18%, and I am finding out GST. So what should I write? Should I write 18% or 118%? Come on, I am waiting for your reply. 18% or 118% off? You can use a word off or on, any of these two words. 15,500. What should I take? 18% or 118%? Yes, 18% because I am finding out GST. When I take 118%, when it is GST plus amount. When it is GST plus amount. Okay, so 18%. So 18 upon 100 into 15,500. 0 cancel. 18 का टेबल अगर आपको आता है तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन डू 18 into 5 is what? 90. 0, 9 carry, 19, 99, 18 and 9 is 27. Tell me, is it correct? 2790. Tell me, is it correct? Fine. Okay, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. And we will take what? Second is laptop adapter. Laptop adapter. Okay, so cost price is how much? Rupees 1,900. And GST is equal to 28%. Okay, so GST will be how much? 28% on 1900. Double zero cut. Okay, 19 का टेबल आता तो well and good. Otherwise use pencil. How and where to do rough work? I think I have a video on that. आप लोग वो वीडियो देख सकते हो कि रफ वर्क कैसे करना है ICSE एग्जाम में. Okay, so 28 multiply by 19. Use your pencil and you can multiply. Okay, 9 into 8 is 72. 7 carry, 18 and 7 is 25. Cross 28. So 2, 532. Answer is 532. Right? Can you tell me how much is the total amount? Okay, total amount. Total amount is what? So 15,500 is paid for what? Graphic card. Plus 1,900 is paid for what? For laptop adapter. Plus tax paid is 532. So what is the total? 2, 3, 10 and 9 is 19. 5, 6, 7, 1. Rupees 17,932. Is it correct? Is it correct? 15,500. Okay, wait. एक और ऐड करना है. Wait, एक और ऐड करना है. Okay, this was also paid. Plus 27. ये GST पे किया है. ये plus ये GST, right? So this also we have to add 2790. So this is 2, 9 and 3 is 12, 27, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Total amount paid is this. Correct? 20,700. 722. Yes. Okay, biology challenge. Okay. What about biology challenge? I did not understand the question. Do you want a do you want important question for that? Okay, just have a look at this question. Just have a look at this question. Any doubt, let me know. Any doubt, let me know. Flory Chaudhary, what about biology challenge? Please tell, sir. Okay. I think on my community tab, I have not put the question back, but yes, I'll post it as soon as possible. Okay, I'll put it as soon as possible. Maybe today itself. Okay, can we continue? Can we continue? Okay, here we come to question number 5. Okay, this is what? Question number 5. As I told you, as we move from one question to another question, level of difficulty will keep on increasing. The catalog price, you can say mark price also, or printed price of a computer set is 42,000. 42,000. Shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on the listed price. He further gives a off-season discount of 5% on the discount price. If CGST, okay, please watch out for this word. Central government's GST is 4%. So state government का भी 4% होगा, and GST will be what? As given here, 4% of central government and 4% of state government. So total GST will be 8%. Okay, please remember this. Calculate total GST. Total GST and total price. And total price. Okay, total price means price plus GST. Okay, price plus GST. GST 5%. Total price will be 100 plus 9. 5% is discount. 8%. GST will be 8%. And the total amount, okay, our total price will be 108%. That is 100% of the value of the computer set plus 8%, right? Okay, here we go. Yes. So 4 plus 4 is what? 8. Okay. See why this question is different from the other question, क्योंकि यहाँ दो डिस्काउंट है. First 10% का डिस्काउंट और फिर 5% का डिस्काउंट. Okay, so let us calculate. So what I am saying, printed price. So this printed price is rupees 42,000, right? Okay. And discount. Okay, let me calculate cost price after, let us say, discount. Okay, cost price after discount 1. Okay, first discount is 10%. So am I paying 100% of the value? Again, same. When you pay a GST, GST is additional to the cost price. So you add, but discount you have to subtract from the cost price. So price of an article is 100% and discount is 10%. So this time we are not adding, we are subtracting. Okay, that means we are going to pay only 90%. Only 90%, 100 minus 10, because 10% is discount. GST अलग से extra pay करना पड़ता है, इसलिए add करते. Okay, anyway, when we calculate GST, we'll do that on rupees how much? On rupees 42,000. Okay, where do I get this 42,000 from? This year catalog price of a computer. So 90% on rupees 42,000. So 00 and 00 cancel. Okay, so 9 into 2 is 18, 1 carry, 9 into 4 is 36 and 37, followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, so cost price after discount 1 is 37,800. Okay, तो अब 42,000 पे करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको कंप्यूटर सेट को खरीदने के लिए. What you have to pay is only 37,800. Okay. Now cost price after off season discount. Okay, cost price after off season discount, or you can write discount too, off season discount. So what is this? This is further 5%. So we are paying 95%. I am writing directly. I hope you understand. Why 95%? Because off season discount is 5%. So 95% on this 37,800. Right? For percentage is not an additive value. रिमेंबर परसेंटेज इज नॉट एन एडिटिव वैल्यू. अगर आप लोग फाइंड आउट करोगे हाँ पहले 10% डिस्काउंट था फिर 5%, सो आई एम गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट 15%, देन यू विल नॉट गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, देन यू विल नॉट गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, सो परसेंटेज के लिए अलग अलग ही फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. सो 95 into 378, so how much is this? What is the cost? ओके, सो रफ कॉलम में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके देखते हैं. 378, यूज पेंसिल एंड मल्टीप्लाई इनटू 95. 8 into 5, ये इट लुक्स डिफिकल्ट बट इट इज वेरी इजी, फटाफट कर सकते हैं आप लोग. 8 into 5 is 40, 4 कैरी, 35 and 4 is 39, 3, 15 and 3 is 18. Okay, 9 into 8 is 72, 7 carry, 63. 9 into 7 is 63. 63 and 7 is 70. 0, 7 carry. 9 into 3 is 27 and 7 is 34. So 0, 11, 9, 5, 3. Okay, so price after second discount is how much? Rupees 35,910. Okay, after the second discount. Any doubt? Let me know. Let me know if any doubt. करेक्ट. ओके, अब हमको फाइंड आउट करना है जीएसटी. हाँ, फाइनली आफ्टर डिस्काउंट्स हमको कंप्यूटर मिल रहा है 35,910. जीएसटी इज हाउ मच? ओके, GST is 8%. 4 plus 4. Remember, they are tricking you. They are using this word CGST. मतलब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का 4% और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का 4%. ओके, तो 8% on rupees what? On 35910. 20 cancel, decimal point after one digit. Okay, so 8 into 0 is 0, 8 into 1 is 8, 9 into 8 is 72, 7 carry, 8 into 5 40, 47, 24 and 4 is 28. So this is my first answer. GST paid is 2,872 rupees and 80 paise. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now we are finding out what amount. अमाउंट के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? परसेंटेज वाले मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं 108%, लेकिन वो हम लोग ऐड करके करेंगे. ओके, अमाउंट इज व्हाट? सो कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस जीएसटी. Cost price is 35,910.00 plus 2872.80. So what is my answer? 0.80. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 and 5 is 13. 6, 7, 8 and 3. Is it correct? 38,700 and okay, let me use some more space and do it properly. Okay, 35910 plus 2872.80. So this is 802, 8, 16, 17, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 3. Yes, correct. Rupees 38,782 and 80 paise. Right? Are you getting same answer? Let me know. Are you getting same answer? Okay, try to write your answer in 2 digit after a decimal point, which makes 80 paise. Right? Can we continue? Let me know your doubts. Let me know your doubts, if any. Any doubt anywhere? Any doubt anywhere? Yes, can we continue? Okay, okay. You can have a look at this question. I'll put the entire question in front of you. So these are the kinds of questions which you are going to get. Right? So if you are practicing, practice more and more questions like this. All right? This was what? Question number 4. Now I'll take one question which is 6th question. This is the summary of entire chapter. 6th वाला question. ध्यान से देखना. अगर आप ये क्वेश्चन समझ जाओगे, okay, see this. दिस इज नॉट अ बोर्ड क्वेश्चन, बट इसमें सारा ये एक क्वेश्चन अगर आ गया आप लोगों को, ओके, ये अगर एक क्वेश्चन आ गया तो पूरा चैप्टर आ जाएगा. ओके, ये देर आर 6 सब पार्ट्स, देर आर 6 सब पार्ट्स, और इसमें हर एक टाइप का क्वेश्चन जो किया है. सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 विच आई एम गोइंग टू डू नाउ. मे बी दिस विल बी द लास्ट सम. ओके, दिस विल बी द लास्ट सम. और इसके बाद 7th वाला क्वेश्चन आपके प्रैक्टिस के लिए दिया गया. Okay, 7th वाला क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस के लिए दिया गया. Okay, so if you know this question, now you have to concentrate hard. Okay, now you have to concentrate hard, क्योंकि ये अगर समझ में आ जाएगा, okay, तो पूरा चैप्टर समझ में आएगा. Okay, इसमें सारे के सारे. And one student was asking me, sir, 4th वाला होगा तो क्या? So I have included it over here. A printed price of an article is 60,000. A manufacturer allow a discount. Okay, so first party over here is manufacturer. Okay, he is selling an article. Manufacturer allow a discount of 20% to dealer A. He sells article to dealer A, who turns, okay, who in turns, dealer A sells this article to dealer B. Dealer B. And at a discount of 10% on the market price, dealer B sell it to consumer. To what word is used? Consumer or customer? Consumer. Consumer. Now remember that, please remember that, कि एज पर योर सिलेबस आपको ये जस्ट अ सेकेंड, ओके, आपको सिर्फ 3 टाइप्स के 1, 2 एंड 3, और 4th वाला नहीं आएगा, बट स्टिल वी आर टेकिंग वन क्वेश्चन सो दैट वी आर एग्जाम रेडी. अच्छा, यस, डेफिनेटली. ओके, now a printed price of an article is 60,000. The manufacturer allows a discount of 80%. Okay, देखो, फर्स्ट वाला सिर्फ सेल करता है, राइट? आई विल यूज अ डिफरेंट कलर. ओके, फर्स्ट वाला सेल करेगा, ओनली सेल, और लास्ट वाला कंज्यूमर विल ओनली बाय. ओके, सो इसने सेल किया है बाय गिविंग 20% ऑफ डिस्काउंट. मतलब कितने में सेल किया उसने? 80% ऑफ व्हाट? 80% ऑफ 60,000. ओके, एक बार सबका कॉस्ट प्राइस और सेलिंग प्राइस पता चल जाएगा, इट इज वेरी इजी टू सॉल्व. सो 80 अपॉन 100 इंटू 60,000. 60,000. So 20 and 20 cancelled. 6 into 8 is 48, followed by 3 zeros. Followed by 3 zeros. ओके तो मैन्युफैक्चरर जो है ही इज सेलिंग द आर्टिकल फॉर 48,000, राइट? ओके तो इसने सेल किया और डीलर ए ने खरीदा, तो डीलर ए का कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ₹48,000। एम आई राइट? एम आई राइट? एनी डाउट विद दिस? ये इसने बेचा, इसने खरीदा, तो इसके लिए जो कॉस्ट प्राइस है सेम होगा इसके लिए सेलिंग, इसके लिए इसका सेलिंग प्राइस सेम होगा इसके कॉस्ट प्राइस के बराबर, राइट? नाउ व्हाट हैज हैपेंड कि इसने आगे बेचा है for what discount? A dealer A sell the article to dealer B at a discount of 10%. 10% on marked price on 60,000. Okay, so what is selling price? Selling price is 90%. 90% on mark price, not on this price, but on mark price, which is 60,000, which is marked by the manufacturer, right? So 20 and 20 cancelled. So this is what? 9 into 6 is 54. 9 into 6 is 54, followed by how much? 3 zeros, right? तो इसने 48,000 में बेचा, ये आगे 52,000 में बेच रहा है, मीन्स एट एवरी स्टेज कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉफिट कमा रहे, ईच एंड एवरी डीलर इज मेकिंग अ प्रॉफिट। एंड प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट प्रॉफिट इज नॉट अ डर्टी वर्ड। हाँ, जो भी बिजनेस करते हैं प्रॉफिट के लिए ही करते हैं। सो 54,000 डीलर बी। अच्छा, डीलर बी ने बेचा है कंज्यूमर या कस्टमर को, ओके तो क्या किया डीलर बी का, क्या ट्रांजेक्शन है? ओके, डीलर बी एट अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ ऑन अ मार्क प्राइस, डीलर बी सेल्स इट टू अ कस्टमर एट 5% अबव द प्रिंटेड प्राइस। ओके तो इसने क्या किया है, 100% तो लिया है प्लस 5% एक्स्ट्रा लेकर कंज्यूमर को बेचा, जो मार्क प्राइस था उससे 5% मोर, राइट? 5% मोर, तो इसको कितना मिला? 105%। आर यू गेटिंग इट? 60,000 का मैन्युफैक्चरर ने डिस्काउंट दिया आगे, राइट? तो इसको मिला 54। हाँ, ये बेचता है 48,000, ये बेचता है 54,000 के लिए, ओके और डीलर भी जब कंज्यूमर, पुअर कंज्यूमर, ओके सारा का सारा टैक्स कंज्यूमर पे करता है और उसको हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा पे करना पड़ता है, ओके सो 105% ऑफ व्हाट? 60,000, राइट? सो 20 and 20 cancel, and 6 into 5 is 30, and 6 and followed by 20. So selling price of dealer B is this and cost price for consumer is 63,000। देखो 63,000 में कंज्यूमर ने खरीदा, ओके अब सबका हम at every stage we know what is cost price and we know what is the selling price। अगर ये मालूम है तो आगे का चीज जो है बहुत डिफिकल्ट होने वाला, बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा, इजी होगा। अब कुछ रूल्स, टैक्सेशन के रूल्स यू मस्ट नो, जरा ध्यान से सुनना, ओके बिकॉज ये 6 क्वेश्चन आ गए, मतलब पूरा चैप्टर आ गया। इसके बाद 7th वाला, यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट क्वेश्चन, ओके वो 7 क्वेश्चन अगर आप लोगों ने सॉल्व कर लिया तो नीड नॉट वरी अबाउट दिस चैप्टर, ओके दिस चैप्टर इज डन। क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? द प्राइस ऑफ द आर्टिकल इंक्लूसिव ऑफ टैक्स, प्राइस ऑफ द आर्टिकल इंक्लूसिव ऑफ टैक्स अंडर जीएसटी पेड बाय डीलर ए। बाय द वे हाउ मच इज जीएसटी? जीएसटी इज 12%। जरा ध्यान से देखना, जीएसटी इज व्हाट? 12%। प्राइस ऑफ द आर्टिकल इंक्लूसिव ऑफ टैक्स अंडर जीएसटी पेड बाय डीलर ए, ओके ये है डीलर ए और उसने कितना जीएसटी पे किया। रिमेंबर, वॉच आउट फॉर नेट टैक्स। कहीं अगर क्वेश्चन में नेट टैक्स आया तो हमको फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ेगा, इनपुट टैक्स माइनस आउटपुट टैक्स, इनपुट टैक्स माइनस आउटपुट टैक्स, अदरवाइज हम लोग रेगुलरली सॉल्व करेंगे, राइट? ओके अब कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑल्सो वी नो, सेलिंग प्राइस ऑल्सो वी नो, फर्स्ट वाला, ओके फर्स्ट वाला आंसर। आई होप you can see whatever I am writing, okay writing is visible to you all। आई एम नॉट राइटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन, ये आप लोग लिख लेना, बट फर्स्ट का क्या है? प्राइस ऑफ द आर्टिकल इंक्लूसिव ऑफ टैक्स पेड बाय डीलर ए। नाउ think like a consumer or a customer। if you are a customer, if I am a customer, मैं जब खरीदता हूं तो मैं जीएसटी पे करता हूं। आई विल रिपीट वंस अगेन, क्योंकि यहाँ दो चीज है, यू हैव अ कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड यू हैव अ सेलिंग प्राइस। हाँ तो जीएसटी किस पर कैलकुलेट करेंगे? तो रिमेंबर थिंक कि हम कंज्यूमर है, हम जब खरीदते हैं तो जीएसटी पे करते हैं। व्हेन वी बाय समथिंग वी पे जीएसटी। तो ये जो है डीलर बी, डीलर ए शुड आई राइट प्राइस ऑफ आर्टिकल इंक्लूसिव ऑफ टैक्स? मतलब हमको फाइंड आउट करना है कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस जीएसटी बाय डीलर ए क्या होगा वो? तो टैक्स इज 12%, राइट ना? सो व्हाट शुड आई टेक 12% और 112%? ओके, दिस इज प्राइस ऑफ द आर्टिकल इंक्लूसिव ऑफ टैक्स, मतलब कॉस्ट प्राइस प्लस जीएसटी, जीएसटी इज 12%, राइट? कॉस्ट प्राइस तो मैं हमेशा 100% लेता हूँ, यस वेरी गुड। ओके, 112%। ऑन व्हाट? ऑन व्हाट? नाउ दिस इज अ कैच, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग रॉन्ग हो जाएंगे। ऑन कॉस्ट प्राइस और सेलिंग प्राइस। देखो आगे चलकर नेट टैक्स भी पूछा है, नेट टैक्स बाय डीलर ए। नेट टैक्स के वक्त इनपुट टैक्स और आउटपुट टैक्स दोनों फाइंड आउट करेंगे, बट यहाँ टैक्स पूछा है इंक्लूसिव। ओके, तो जब वो खरीदता तो उसने, ओके, वी ऑलवेज पे अ टैक्स जीएसटी व्हेन वी बाय समथिंग, ओके। और आगे बेचते हैं तो सामने से टैक्स कलेक्ट करते हैं, ओके। आगे बेचते हैं, व्हेन यू सेल इट आउट टू अ नेक्स्ट पार्टी यू कलेक्ट अ टैक्स, लेकिन हम खरीदते हैं तो हम टैक्स पे करते हैं, ओके। सो 112% ऑन व्हाट? 48,000 और 54,000, ओके। राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स 48,000 और 58। Yes, okay. It is 48,000. It is 48,000. You have to be sure about your answer. Okay, you have to be sure about your answer. Okay, क्योंकि वो खरीदेगा तब, ओके। एक बार और रिपीट करता हूँ, व्हेन यू बाय, ओके, अगर डीलर ए भी है वो टैक्स तब पे करेगा व्हेन यू बाय समथिंग। जब वो सेल करेगा तो वो अगले पार्टी से टैक्स लेगा, से डीलर बी से जो है वो टैक्स कलेक्ट करेगा, ओके। ही वोंट बी अ टैक्स पेयर, उस वक्त वो कलेक्ट करेगा, ओके। सो 112 अपॉन 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 48,000। सो 2020 कैंसिल। अब मल्टीप्लाई करके बताओ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू। यूज पेंसिल फॉर योर कैलकुलेशंस। सो 112 इंटू 48, जीरो को आगे ऐड करेंगे, ओके। और आई विल डू इट ओवर हियर। 112 into 48. 0 I'll carry forward later on. Okay. 8 into 2 is 16. 8, 1, 9, 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 and 4. 6, 16, 17. 9 and 4 is 13. 5. And this 0 carry forward. Okay. So my answer is 53760. 53760. Okay. 53760. So this much amount he has paid, okay, which is cost price plus GST. Is it clear? Let's move on to second wala part, where you have to find what? Where you have to find what? क्या था? Price of a article inclusive of a tax paid by dealer B. अब dealer B का find out करना, same cost price plus GST paid by dealer B. So it will be what? 112%, क्योंकि cost price 100% and 12% is GST. 112% on which amount? 54,000 की 63,000. Write in a comment box. Write in a comment box. Which value should I write? Which value should I write? Okay, on cost price. So it should be 54,000. Right? So 2020 cancel. When you do multiplication and tell me what is the answer. 112 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 54, ओके। और 0 इज कैरी फॉरवर्ड, ये बाद में देखेंगे। 844, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 1 6, 5, 8 4 10, okay, and 0 carry forward, 60,480, 60,480, 60,480. This is my second answer. Clear? GST plus tax, okay, right, okay. नाउ थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन है, अमाउंट पेड बाय कंज्यूमर फॉर द आर्टिकल, ओके। कंज्यूमर ने कितना पे किया? तो कंज्यूमर का टैक्स है और अमाउंट है 63%, ओके, प्लस 12%। सो थर्ड वन, amount, okay, that is cost price plus GST paid by consumer, okay, so consumer 112% on what? 63,000. So 112 upon 100 into 63,000. 2020 कैंसिल. किसी ने मल्टीप्लाई किया? कोई बताएगा व्हाट इज द आंसर? आंसर इज व्हाट? 112 multiplied by 63. 0 will be carried forward. 6, 3, 3, 12, 7, 6, 6, 5, 10, and 0 carry forward. 70,560, right? Okay. 70,560, right? So here we got 3 answers. अब आता है important question which is about net tax. Okay, net tax paid by A. Whenever you come across this word, watch out for this word net tax. Type करो क्या formula है net tax का? What is formula for net tax? Fourth one, net tax by dealer A, which is, what is the formula? Yes, output tax minus input tax. Output tax minus input tax. I think most of you are getting this. एक बार थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस, रेगुलरली एग्जाम तक प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो यू विल बी इन टच. बहुत दिनों तक रिवाइज नहीं करोगे, एवरीथिंग विल बी लॉस्ट, राइट? तो आउटपुट टैक्स इज व्हाट? ऑन सेलिंग प्राइस, ओके, जीएसटी परसेंट ऑन सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस जीएसटी परसेंट इनपुट टैक्स ऑन कॉस्ट प्राइस. इनपुट मतलब अंदर आया, खरीदा, कॉस्ट. आउटपुट मतलब बाहर गया, सेलिंग प्राइस. ओके, सो टैक्स इज हाउ मच? 12%. हाँ, दिस इज जीएसटी 12%. ए का कॉस्ट प्राइस इज हाउ मच? हाँ, इसलिए स्टार्टिंग में ये डेटा बना. ओके, एग्जाम में सेम करो सो दैट यू नो कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड सेलिंग प्राइस, बिकॉज ऑल टैक्सेस एंड परसेंटेज विल बी फाउंड बेस्ड अपॉन दिस. So this is very important. A के लिए 48,000 and 54,000. 48,000 and 54,000. 54,000 and 12% on 48,000. Right? 12 upon 100 can be taken out common, and this is 54,000 minus 48,000. How much? So 12% on 6,000. So 20 cut, 20 cut. So your answer is 12 into 6 is 72 and 0 carry forward. So 720 rupees. Right? Are you getting same answer? Are you getting same answer? Again, fifth wala question is net tax by dealer B. By dealer B, which is what? Okay, 12% on rupees minus 12% ऑन रुपीज. डीलर बी का सेलिंग प्राइस और कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या है? डीलर बी का 63,000 एंड 54,000. 63,000 एंड 54,000. 63,000 and 54,000. Right? We will take 12 upon 100 common. 63,000 minus 54,000, which is how much? 12 upon 100 into 9,000. 11. Yes, 9. 20 cancelled. This 0 is there. 12 into 9 is 108. And carry forward 0. So 1080 is my fourth answer. Is it fine? What 920? It should be 720. Yes? And last question is tricky. See, amount of tax under GST received by central government. Received by central government. Okay? So government को कितना टैक्स मिलेगा? जो कंज्यूमर ने पे किया वो गवर्नमेंट को मिलेगा. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, अब छोटा छोटा हम लोग कैलकुलेट नहीं करते हैं. ओके, गवर्नमेंट को कितना टैक्स मिला. ओके, सारा का सारा बर्डन ऑफ टैक्स इज ऑन अ कंज्यूमर. Okay, entire burden of a tax is on a customer. Please remember that, on a customer. तो customer ने कितना tax pay किया. Okay, tax paid by, okay, consumer is what? 12%. If I remember correctly, it is on 63,000. Am I right? So 12% on what? 63,000. 2020 cancel. 12 into 3 is 36. 3 carry. 12 into 6 is 72. 75 and 10 carry forward. Okay. Right? अभी now look at the question. Look at the question. हमको find out करना है. हमको find out करना है tax received by the central government. ओके, आई ऑलवेज से कद्दू कटेगा तो सब में बटेगा. ओके, तो ये हाफ ऑफ डिवाइड कर लेंगे. ओके, सीजीएसटी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का टैक्स और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का टैक्स, ओके, विल बी डिवाइडेड. तो ये 7560 विल बी डिवाइड बाय 2. So 2 into 3 is 6. 1 remainder. 2 into 7 is 14. 1. 2 into 8 is 16. 0. Okay. तो हमको क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को कितना मिलेगा. ओके, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को, तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को मिलेगा ₹3,780. राइट. टैक्स तो कलेक्ट हुआ है 7,560, बट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को मिलेगा 3,780. राइट. दिस वाज अ ह्यूज सम, बट ये सम जो है पूरा का पूरा जो है सिलेबस को कवर कर लेता है. ओके, यू हैव टू डिवाइड दैट इनटू 2. जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस. कुछ डाउट रहेगा तो पूछना, अदरवाइज दिस वाज द लास्ट सम ऑफ द डे. ओके, and what I have done is एक 7th वाला question. Okay, you can take this as a homework. I'll put this PDF in the description box once my class is over. My next live class will be on diagram. Okay, diagram. Most probably I may take this live class maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I have one more class lined up after this class. Okay, so you can join for that class as well. But if you have any doubt right now in this question, okay, you can ask me, क्योंकि ये पूरा का पूरा चैप्टर को कवर कर लेता है और चैप्टर के सारे पार्ट को कवर कर लेता है. राइट? एनी डाउट? इफ यू आर स्टिल लेफ्ट विद एनी डाउट, आप लोग रिवाइज करके, ओके, रिवाइंड करके ये वीडियो फिर से देख सकते हैं. ओके, यू हैव टू डू होमवर्क इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Right? So can I end my class now? सिर्फ एक. ओके, यार जीएसटी सारे कंडीशंस हम लोगों ने कवर कर लिए. यू कैन रिवाइंड एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो. ओके, waiting for more live classes. Yes, I'll try to come live on regular basis henceforth. Okay. Hetal Verma, you can see the part 1 and part 2 as well. Okay, thank you. Yes, Mrunal, thank you. Okay, Smarty, thank you. Okay, so I'm ending this live class. See you all in my next class. Okay? Chalo, bye, 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 bye.